Hey, what's up, guys?
Oh wait, we can't be advertising our school.
Josh.
Ow, ow, ow.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're totally random, and this is the first episode of the Ratchet Jar.
The rules are simple. We're doing a 1v1 sled tournament. First one to the finish line. But the catch is, the loser has to ask an employee where the tampon aisle is. Before we start, let's get in the sleds.
My name is Jackson. I am definitely gonna win today. I'm a person that just wins, you know? Josh, he thinks he's gonna win. He says, oh, I'm gonna win, I'm gonna win. Heck yeah.
Am I gonna win? Heck yeah.
Well, I think not.
My name is Colin. I don't really know what I like doing. Kind of boring person. Do I think that I win? Probably not.
What sled am I racing at? This bad boy. His name is the Big.
This is Greg, actually. I'm really hoping he doesn't get scratched up because I'm really considering purchasing this fine child.
Josh wins.
Feels great to be winning. Getting the first one is a kid.
With me and my sled, the Blue Lightning, we're taking down the house.
I don't want to buy this house. I don't want to buy this. I can't say I'm surprised. I know these two guys were hard competitors. I'm glad I lost to the best of them.
What's your strategy for the next round?
Same thing, dude. Jackson didn't really have a chance.
That's right, I'm ready. I can take Josh in the finishing rounds, but sucks to be Colin.
It's like, can I get prepared?
Josh, where are you going? Come on, Josh. Josh, he has to ask a guy for a tampon.
The loser has to ask an employee where the tampon aisle is.
Colin, are you ready to lose?
This is gonna be so bad.
We survived!
Keep being totally. That's actually not good advice.
He sucks at ice! Yeah!
Alright, we're done here, guys. We'll see you in next video.